Hi there, my name is Joe Donnelly with the Glendale Fire Department. Glendale is a city in Southern California. We have 9 stations that house 9 engines, 3 trucks, 6 ambulances. We also cross-staff a hazmat, USAR, a brush rig, and 2 water tenders. We're here today to do our final inspection on our Pierce Aero XT Ascendant aerial ladder. Let's take a look inside. So up here, we have our command zone. We've been using Pierce multiplexing system. You can see the command zone up front. The engineer can look at the grade and slope and jackknife of our tiller truck before getting out. Another thing you can see here with the door open, we added flashing lights to all 4 doors for increased safety for our guys that get off the rig. Moving back here, we added a keypad to the side door here. We added power door locks and this is a way for them to get in without carrying a key or key fob around. Inside the cab here, what's unique for us is we turned this into radio compartment. We'll store our radio equipment in there. It has a fan on the door that keeps that area cool. We remove the floor heaters that are normally in there. This Aero XT cab seats 4 on the inside. We added compartments up top here. We added the compartments up top there for increased storage of our maps and binders. This is a Pierce 107-foot Ascendant ladder. This is a heavy-duty ladder that can support 750 pounds at the tip in any configuration. Up here you can see we added the rung lighting for each rung for increased safety while climbing. This heavy-duty ladder will allow us to increase operations on our life pulley, and we'll be able to provide a high point at the tip of the ladder. We move back here. We use roll-up doors for the city of Glendale. We have a lot of tight streets, lots of street parking. So this allows for easy access into these compartment doors. We have 2-way slide outs that hold up to 500 pounds. And up top here, we added a slide out tilt down to access the upper parts of the compartment. This compartment, we added a 2-way slide out so firefighters can access both sides of the rig with this tray. And we added a tool board to mount our long handle tools on this tool board. Something we also added was the pack track on the sides of this compartment to maximize the tools that we can carry. In this compartment, we had Pierce fabricate airbag slots and a bottle holder. For lifting operations, this will allow us to pull it off and go with our lifting operations faster. Bottle holders for 10 bottles here. And then something unique about this compartment, we added mounting provisions to the back wall for both of these. Gives us more options on mounting tools to the back wall. So you go to the back here. We use Wheelan for all of our code 3 lights and our scene lighting. We added 3 scene lights. These are dual spot floods, 3 on each side, 1 in the front and 1 in the rear. For our tiller operators, for additional safety, we added cameras on both sides. The tiller driver has a monitor on each side that'll show the view of this camera. The cornering light here in front aids the camera. We use a Wheelan light here. We used to have a light down here and we moved it up top to light up this area while they're driving. From back here, you can see the tip of the ladder. We have 4 low-profile tip lights, also Wheelans, and we added chainsaw scabbards on the tip. This way, for safety, we can have our firefighters put the chainsaw there before climbing the aerial ladder, increasing their points of contact as they climb up the ladder. Also on top, we'll carry 2 rubber hooks that are permanently mounted up there. We added that beacon light for safety. In smoky conditions, our firefighters can see the tip of the ladder with that flashing. Back here's our ground ladder storage. New with this truck, we moved our 35-foot ladders that were on the outside to the inside. We carry all Alco wood ladders, and this will reduce some of the maintenance involved with them being out in the weather. So we carry a total complement of 11 ladders that total 221 feet. We have 2 35-foot extension ladders, 1 28-foot extension ladder, 2 20-foot straight ladders, 2 16-foot straight ladders, attic ladder, and a A-frame ladder. Another safety item we added to this truck is we moved these stairs to the rear that lead straight up to the tiller bucket. The tiller operator will have their PPE in here and have access straight to the tiller bucket. To the left and the right of the steering wheel, you can see monitors for the left and right side cameras. Thanks for checking out our brand new Aero XT tiller truck. We're excited with this new purchase, and we'd like to thank Pierce and our dealer rep South Coast for helping us out with this purchase. Thanks for watching.